If you need to remove a device from your Affirm account, follow these simple steps to ensure a quick and effective process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Affirm website or open the Affirm app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the device you want to remove. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is typically found in the Menu or Profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Access Device Management. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Device Management or Security. This is where you can view all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. In the Device Management section, find the device you wish to remove. Click on it to view more details and options related to that specific device. Step 5. Remove the device. After selecting the device, look for an option to remove or disconnect. Confirm your choice when prompted to successfully remove the device from your account. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily remove a device from your Affirm account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Affirm's customer support for further assistance.